What is GDP and why it matters to investors? GDP, or Gross Domestic Product, represents the total value of all finished goods and services produced within a country's economy over a specific time period, minus the costs of production. Economists use GDP to gauge economic health, and it's important for investors because healthier economies often lead to better investment returns. GDP is composed of four main components: consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. Consumption includes everyday items like cars and coffee, accounting for more than half of GDP and closely tied to the stock market. Investment covers company expenditures on real estate, equipment, and intellectual property. Government spending includes salaries, infrastructure repairs, and military expenditures. Net exports are the difference between goods sent abroad and goods imported. For instance, if the US imported more than it exported, the net exports figure would be negative. GDP calculations are updated quarterly, and US GDP was $22.7 trillion in 2023. Economists often focus on GDP growth percentages to assess economic trends. A shrinking GDP can signal a recession, characterized by prolonged economic decline, high unemployment, and falling financial markets. Significant and unexpected GDP changes can impact the stock market, as a struggling economy typically hurts corporate earnings. Although GDP doesn't directly inform sector allocation or stock selection, it helps investors understand the broader economic environment. By monitoring GDP, investors can gain insights into the business cycle and potential sector growth, albeit with caution due to less predictable recent cycles. When considering overseas investments, GDP offers a snapshot of a country's economic health, affecting company prospects. In essence, GDP is a crucial economic indicator, but its relevance to individual investing strategies varies. The key takeaway is that unexpected GDP movements are more impactful than the specific good or bad news. For more details to reach your financial goals, schedule a time in my bio. My name is Michael Pagasu. Thanks for watching and happy investing.